Drywall damage is one of those things that can totally wreck your walls and make your place look old and beat up real quick. So, if you want to keep your drywall looking fresh, the first thing is to watch out for water leaks, because even a tiny drip can mess up drywall fast. If you spot any leaks, fix them right away or call a plumber before the damage gets worse. Next, be careful with heavy stuff around your walls because impact holes happen when something hits hard. Think furniture or doors swinging wild. When you see cracks, especially from your house settling, don't just ignore them. Use some drywall compound to fill them in and sand it smooth once it's dry. Nail pops are super annoying but easy to fix. Just push the nail back in, add a new one nearby if needed, then cover with putty and paint. Keep an eye on humidity levels inside your home too, since too much moisture can weaken drywall over time. If you ever tackle repairs yourself, use the right tools like a putty knife and drywall tape so the patch looks seamless. And remember, patience is key. Let everything dry fully so your fix doesn't crack again. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall repair is ignoring water leaks, which leads to mold and bigger wall damage. The fix is to stop the leak first before patching drywall. Another common problem is using too little or no drywall tape on cracks, causing the repair to fail. Always use tape and multiple coats of compound for a strong hold. Lastly, lots of folks rush nail pop fixes without securing nails properly, so the patch just pops back out. The trick is to drive nails deep, cover them well, and repaint for a clean look. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to drywall repair and other home projects. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new work and build their business with people who really need help.